our vision for our platform is that we will continue to build, both on our own and through third parties, applications on our platform that then you and your customers can roll out to increase the utility of that first investment. The idea, I mean, one of the fundamental differences in let's say traditional networking architectures and what a software-defined networking architecture brings to bear, and in particular when you then layer in the fact that we allow customers to bring your own device or bring your own box to the party, is that you can now mix and match the types of applications that are running over a particular infrastructure. And I go back to the case that we spoke about early on in our conversation, in particular regarding continuous availability, meaning replication. One of the big things that we saw, for instance, after Superstorm Sandy, was a rush of business for us in the New York City, New Jersey, Connecticut, upstate New York areas, where we went from a relatively small number of a few dozen customers in the area to having a challenge of just trying to meet with all the customers that are saying, I've really now got to think through how do I increase my enterprise uptime? And so the power is that we can give them a basis to invest. And while that solves an immediate problem for them, let's say the ability to replicate data between sites, the attraction is that we give them an open platform that allows them to bring on new applications over time. And so therefore they're not necessarily having to build anew each time or certainly they're not locked into any particular vendor. We give them the ability to bring on those applications as they need them. And the power of it, I think that what companies like Equinix are bringing to the table is that they can now begin to build that large virtual concept data center that extends from their own four walls out into vendors like yours, and they can do it with deterministic performance, deterministic security, obviously also very important, and they want to make sure that they're doing it with a trusted partner. And I think that's really the roles that you and we are playing.